All right, and then the last part of section 8.1, we just looked at the general solution for a homogeneous. So now we're just going to look at it for a non-homogeneous. We're going to be working with the exact same equation that we were doing before. So when we get down to the bottom, you'll see that I have that kind of written out for the solutions that we already have. So we have a general solution for a non-homogeneous. We let x prime equals ax plus f, or f of t, you can write it as, be a non-homogeneous system. And then we already find our xc. So we found xc for the complementary or characteristic equation is c1x1 plus c2x2 up to cn xn, depending on how many variables we have. The solution of the associated non-homogeneous system, x prime is equal to ax. And xp is that particular for the non-homogeneous is a solution. So xp is going to equal, is a solution for x prime equals ax plus f, or f of t. Then the general solution is going to be the characteristic plus the xp, which is the particular solution for this non-homogeneous. And we just put them together. Again, it's written pretty much the same way we did earlier in chapter 4, where you just write the characteristic equation solution plus your particular solution for the non-homogeneous. So I have it written out. We had x prime, we had our coefficient matrix times x, and now we have plus 12,0t minus 11,3. So here is the non-homogeneous. So that's the characteristic or the complementary that we have to deal with. And we already had the solution that we looked at from before. And we had x prime is equal to 1353 and then times x. So now we want to verify xp 3 negative 5t plus negative 4 6 t minus 4 minus 5t plus 6. So now we want to verify that that is actually a solution. So starting with the left-hand side, we're going to need xp prime. So here's my xp. So xp prime is 3 negative 5. So derivative of the top is just 3. Derivative of the bottom function there is negative 5. So that's my xp prime. The right hand side, we are going to have to multiply those matrices. So here we get the 1 3 5 3. And then we have to multiply it by xp, which is right here, our 3t minus 4 and negative 5t plus 6. So when I'm multiplying my matrices, again, I'm going to multiply across and then down. And then the other piece, though, this is just the first part of it. But because I had that particular solution, xp, I have to also add that in. Where is it? Oh, this, sorry. 12t minus 11. And then 0t minus 3. So that's that extra piece that we have to add in there. And when I'm done, I have to multiply this together first, then add it to that. And when I'm done, it should simplify to the left-hand side and combine to just 3 negative 5. So first I'm going to do the multiplication. I get 3t minus 4 minus 15t plus 18. And then I get 15t minus 20 minus 15t plus 18. Add those two together, I get negative 12t plus 14. And then on the bottom, I get negative 2. Alright, so I add these two together. Negative 12t and 12t cancel. I get 14 minus 11, which is 3. And negative 2 and negative 3 on the bottom is negative 5. So I verified that that is a solution. So now I need to write the general. So general is x is equal to x characteristic plus the particular. So here I get C1, 1 negative 1 e to the negative 2t plus C2, 3, 5 e to the 6t plus that particular solution, which was 3t minus 4 and negative 5t plus 6.